We got a little headband, bell, a hat, more of these bracelets, homemade sticker. Like I said, the gingerbread and bell are only here because I only have a little bit left. Then I have this. It's kind of like a black and white theme box. Then we have this. Then we have black and white heart. My gloves are not working anymore. Let's see if I can find like a dark one. And I may or may not add a drawing. We will see. Depends on if people want drawings. And a bracelet. And a miniature 3D. Now if you want something bigger, you can pay for the bigger ones. Long way. Ready to go. Blue hat and a green hat. An adorable little bell. 2 of these bracelets. 3D miniature project. Keychain. Gingerbread man. Let's get one out of here. A leaf, just some more pendants, and ta-da, already packaged, ready to go. Blue hat and a green hat. An adorable little bell. 2 of these bracelets. 3D miniature project. Keychain. Gingerbread man. Let's get one out of here. A leaf, just some more pendants, and ta-da, already packaged, ready to go. We're gonna check out my fidget collection. First, we have the Stretchy banana fidget. That's my newest fidget that I got at Showcase. I love this fidget very much. It's very squishy. It's very tedious. The bananas, stretchy, all of it stretchy. You can make it look like a gag. Do you want a banana? Not a banana. I like it. It's funny. It's cute. Then I got this from the dollar store. It's a Sloth Squishy. And if y'all know me, y'all know I love sloths. The only unfortunate thing is like this part right here. But I like sloths. It's cute. It's squishy enough, but not like my favorite. It has to be one of my favorites, but it's not as squishy as I would like. I have a pup in a cup. Pup in a cup. Pup in a cup. Pup in a cup. Up. Pup in a cup. Pup in a cup. Pup in a cup. Pup in a cup. Do 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 do. La 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 la. Pup in a cup. Pup in a cup. Yeah, okay. That one's definitely fun to fidget. I have a bell. We have a fidget ring. It's supposed to stop you from biting your nails. I don't see that working very well. It's supposed to be great for stress and people biting their nails. But I don't know. It doesn't work for me. Might work for others. Okay, and now we have another fidget. It's a fidget wooden grinder that I put together on my adult channel, which is like for teenagers and up. I am fidgeting with the moon. They're two of my newest. I got these, if you remember, or I forget which one I did for which. I got these fidgets from Christmas. I got three fidget advent calendars. This one's an octopus. If you want to hear the story about the octopus and why I'm rolling my eyes, check out my adult channel. Oh, I got a Santa hat. This is actually like a marshmallow. Yep, definitely like a marshmallow. It's definitely squishy. This one's my favorite. That's why it looks like it's dead-ish. Like, I used it pretty good. This is for the kids channel. I mean dead as in I used it a lot. That's so gooey. This is one of those gifts, but it's like a fidget gift. I like those. I have more. I'm not sure where all of them went. I don't know if Jade took them, but I have puppets. Jade and I have a lot of puppets all together. But I'm not going all the way upstairs to get a her puppet show, because I don't know where all of them are. We share our fidgets. We're both ADHD. And she tells me to tell you all hello. And she'll do the channel when she wants to. I'm not going to force her to do it. And she likes the new name. This one's kind of like blue and green, and I love the color. I'm not sure what this thing's called. It reminds me of like a snake. You can also turn into like a bracelet where you snap it. And then you unsnap it. But it makes a... Oh, I didn't know that could happen. Hopefully I didn't break it. Oh, thank goodness. We have more of these, I want to call them Mojo Squishies. Mojo. They're like little squishies. I have a panda, a candy can, my favorite, the little duck, quack quack. Probably because Jade liked ducks when she was little. Because they would have them in the claw machine. Okay. Now we're gonna go into the fidget box. We have a fidget person thing. I don't know what this thing is. You have two of them. We have a star. I love this one, but it's not as good. I like this one the best. It's a snowflake. It reminds me of like a stamp. We have a unicorn noodle. Then we maybe I'll do some ASMR with them on my adult channel. More squishies. These are very squishy. This one is like really awesome. We have a Santa Claus. Santa Claus, Santa Claus. We have a Christmas tree. I'll rate them in the video later. We have a game. A fidget game. We have to try to get all four into a hole. So we are trying to get... We have two left. Okay, we have one. No! You gotta be kidding. No, 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 no. Come on. We did it. Cars. They came on the Fidget advent calendar. A stretch person. Stretch man. Another... fidget spinner. This was like really huge when Jade was little. And we have like a bunch of them put away, but I don't know if we have any more because when we moved, things just get misplaced. Oh, we have more of these. We'll review how squishy. Another Squish Man. I don't know, this thing reminds me of like when you played jacks. My grandma told me about jacks. I didn't know what they were because, well, that wasn't a game we played. We played hand-clap games. We were poor when I lived at my dad's house, and so we didn't have like great technology. A squishy, like, reminds me of a yo-yo, but I don't remember the name of this thing. It's very squishy. And I like the yellow color. I don't know what Pikachu is. Someone tell me in the comments below what Pikachu is, because I do not know what Pikachu is. Okay, another fidget ring. Just a ball that had stuff in it, and I put it back together so we could like fidget with the ball. I think this isn't a fidget. She just accidentally put one of her non-fidget toys in here. So we have... Okay, Jay put a few things in here that aren't fidgets, which is okay. But what are these? Where did it go? I don't know what this is. I know it's Superman. I'm not that crazy. We have another fidget. Another puppet. My giant puppet. That can go in there. And No. Earring Fidget. Now I'm gonna put what we don't want in the box. Well, what we want, but just not right now. Because I have no idea what this is called. If you know the name, let me know. Or I'll probably find it when I'm looking for it online. Noodle. Finally learned that was called a noodle. If you know this name, a bell. This thing. No idea. It's cute, but I have no idea. The Superman one. I know it's Pikachu. Stretch Man. We did this puppet. The fidget ring. My stretchy banana goes in the living room. So we are going to check out the puppet. I like the colors of this one and that it's 4 squares and 1 big square. And I thought that was interesting. Because it was like unique and different. I have more puppets, I just don't know where they are. Like I said, Jade and I share, so sometimes they get upstairs, sometimes she takes mine, I take hers. It becomes a thing. She might have more puppets than I do. The puzzle piece. Jade and my brother are both, well, she's high function autistic, he's like middle autistic. So I thought this would be kind of perfect to represent those in the family who are autistic. I am intellectually disabled, so I don't know what that would be. They get a puzzle piece. I'm not sure what we get. I'll have to find something and then find a shape. And then the one that doesn't have like the decorations is the louder sound. Someone was smart enough to turn bubble wrap, because this is what it's supposed to be, into a puppet. Wish I would have thought of that. Because popping stuff does help people with stress and ADHD. And even for kids like yourselves. This one is American flag I got for the 4th of July. I might ask one for St. Patrick's Day. And then this side is louder. It's a circle, triangle, and then a star. We have a puppet bracelet that came in the Fidget advent calendar. Now these are my personal fidgets, and after this I will show you the different things I have when you buy some of my products. And then we're gonna pop it. You can tell some sides are louder than the other. It's like a little bracelet so you could wear it. We have this rainbow. Jade says it's like a fake. Actually, this one might be a real rainbow, but it's a rainbow. Square. I think this came with something. I put in the advent calendar, and I also got a butterfly that I have no idea if Jade has it. Like I said, I'm not going all the way upstairs just to look for that, because I will eventually do a second one of the other fidgets that we have in puppets. Okay, now we're going to pop this side. You can also get a game, and I think I might want to get the game version at some point, which would be cool. We are fidgeting, do 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 do. Sometimes people time themselves, and you can like do your different hand gestures. Like it could be 2 at a time, if you want. Or it could be 1 at a time. I got this at a fidget store called the Toy Box. I couldn't resist the skull. I had a thing with skulls when I was little, like middle school aged. So it's definitely something I used to love as a kid. And I thought this was so cute. Jay got a unicorn rainbow poppet for Santa Claus. No, for me or Santa? No, it was from me. Santa gave her a fake kitty cat stuffed animal. She wanted another cat, but Kevin would not be okay with that. He might be a kitty, but he tolerates the dog. He barely tolerates humans. Then, of course, we pop it. Pop, pop, poppity, pop, pop. Pop, 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 poppity, pop, 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 poppity, pop, pop, pop. These are not poppets, they're bubble snap. Okay, that one only popped out. These are all bubble snap. These are squishies that you can get when you order something online. I gave Jade this, I bought two of the, two of each. This one is the other sloth. Then we have zipper bracelets. They actually work. I made sure of that. I have two of them. Eventually I might get more. If you want to pick, it's going to be $6 for $6. But if you don't want to pick, I just give you what I want. So it could be a fidget or anything else that I want. But these are some of the fidgets I have that come along with my small business. So we got these cute little noodles. This one has little legs and it's like a teal color. This one is an orange with little legs. A purple one with little legs. This is green and blue. This is green and white. We have I want to say purple blue bump noodles, a pink bump noodle, a light pinkish purple bump noodle, a yellow bump noodle with legs, and just a plain noodle that's like zzz around. We have a pink, blue, yellow, purple llama with a yellow flower. We have a sloth, a kitty cat, a rainbow, and they're all squishies. We have a green poppet, a yellow poppet, a bump poppet. They're not poppets. We have a green bubble snap. We have two green bubble snaps that are the shape of a stop sign, a pink one the shape of a stop sign of a bubble snap, two pink ones and one yellow, and one blue square bubble snap.